Hello investors, welcome to Altainment. Today we bring you the latest actions and updates about the Indian startup ecosystem. Digital payments company Paytm on Tuesday announced that its wholly owned subsidiary Paytm Payment Services Limited has made strides with its card on file tokenization or Paytm token gateway. The company in a release said it has partnered with platforms such as Myntra, Oyo, Domino's and others, while also joining hands with payment giants like Visa, MasterCard and RuPay. With the partnership, the card on file tokenization service will be available for all of Paytm's consumers and merchants, the company said. It is aligned with the RBI's guidelines which said that saved cards feature won't be allowed on a merchant network anymore. It added. Paytm mentioned that a tokenized card transaction is considered to be safer as the user's actual card details are not shared with the merchant. Instead, tokenization makes way for the card details to be stored as a unique, irreversible digital token instead of a 16-digit number. Meesho, one of the fastest growing internet commerce platforms in India, has introduced an ESOP for All program, MESOP, which enables all full-time employees, irrespective of their tenure in the company or their seniority, to be able to convert a maximum of 25% of their annual CTC into ESOPs, subject to a minimum of Rs 50,000. ESOPs thus granted would be greater than 100% of the CTC relinquished, the company said in a statement on Friday. Vidit Atre, founder and CEO at Meesho, said, "Our repeated and periodic buybacks ensure our employees continue to grow with us." The MESOP program takes this commitment further, breaking hierarchies to make every employee an owner and providing more avenues for wealth creation. As we hire more talent, we will continue to provide our team with the means to realize their personal and financial goals with us. Unlike traditional ESOP plans, the MESOP program is completely inclusive, providing every employee, irrespective of their seniority, to benefit from Meesho's rapid growth while ensuring 100% of the grant is vested by the end of 1 year. This provides opportunities and control to opting employees and helps them cash in on Meesho's frequent ESOP liquidation programs. Thank you for watching us. Please like and subscribe to keep watching important news on unlisted shares, pre-IPO shares and ESOPs. Find buyers and sellers for unlisted shares for free on altinvent.com. Trade secure and safely.